Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post new videos. Like this video, that's the only way you can motivate me to continue making more videos and finding the stuff that you want. If you have questions, if you have topics, ideas, leave them in the comment section below so that I can look at them and respond to them with future videos. Like this question, somebody asked, which brokers come with boom and crash? Which brokers come with boom and crash? I've previously done many strategies on trading boom and crash, how to make money with boom and crash, and I'll leave the links in the description box below. So the broker that is most popular, the brokers that are most popular when it comes to boom and crash and other things like step index, and they also come with volatility index and stuff like that, is binary.com. I think they've partnered with deriv.com. I think they are now almost sort of one and the same entity, but you can find that binary.com is still active, but you can actually also trade through deriv. They are kind of one entity now. I might be mistaken, but I used to trade on binary.com, and they announced that they were partnering with deriv. So basically my accounts on binary.com were shifted over to deriv.com. So yeah, if you were wondering which brokers come with boom and crash, I cannot find another broker out there except binary.com and deriv. So those are the current brokers that are trading boom and crash as synthetic indices. If you have other brokers that you use to trade boom and crash, leave them in the comment section below so that we help each other. Leave them in the comment section below, but certainly the popular one is binary.com and deriv.com. I've also linked in the description box below how to actually go about opening your accounts or with deriv.com and binary.com and setting up your accounts for MT5. It's kind of a process, but I've made it easy. You can just follow my steps and you can set up your MT5 accounts with the brokers. Again, leave your comments in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe. Until next time, bye.